Commitments. We all have commitments. Commitment to get fit, commitment to earn more. But here's one thing I wish all of us would commit to, and that's learning. Not the regular school learning, education, all all of those students out there. If that's what you were thinking, I'm not talking about that. What I mean to say is commit yourself every day to learning something you're passionate about, interested in, something you wish to know more about. Just give a small portion of your day. Start out by giving 5 minutes, 10 minutes, eventually go on increasing the time you give every day for learning. Go from 10 minutes, 20, 25 minutes, 30 minutes a day, perhaps 1 hour. And no doubt learning something every day can give improbable benefits to the brain, no doubt on that. But other than that, committing to learning something on a daily basis, make it a commitment. If you just have 5 minutes, try learning something in those 5 minutes, and you'll see how much that adds up to on a later period. Like in the course of 1 year, just imagine giving 1 hour a day. That adds up to 365 hours of learning something you're interested in. Just give a small portion of your day and look at what that adds up to. So yeah, just commit yourselves to learning something. I've taken up this commitment too, even though I sometimes skip doing it. I sometimes don't do it that seriously as well. I too make mistakes, but I'm putting constant efforts in order to make it a lifestyle. To make learning a lifestyle. Hope you can develop a learning lifestyle too. So yeah, that's it.